Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to share your TikTok profile link easily without wasting any time. Let's get started. First, go to the App Store and make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Once the app is updated, open TikTok and go to your profile. Now, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Share Profile. From here, simply tap on Copy Link and send it to anyone who wants to visit your profile. The next method is to go back to your profile and tap on Edit Profile. Here you will see your TikTok profile link. You can copy it directly and share it with anyone. The last method is by using the QR code. Go to your profile and tap on the share icon in the top right corner. You will see your QR code. The other person can scan this code and instantly visit your profile. So that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, see you soon.